Hey there guys, my name is Marcus and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Monday.com. I'm going to show you step-by-step process in settings, how to add columns, boards, workspaces, literally everything. After you will finish this quick video, you will know everything. So let's start. I'm going to hide my face now so you see everything, right? Now, when you're in Monday.com, let me show you. The first is workspaces. We will get to it. Then you got notifications. And then inbox of messages that people can like write you up. When you do it, you can go in further and you can see my week, like what have you done. Then you can simply invite members here. You can invite viewers or just simple members here. That's like really simple. And then you can search for everything, right? And help. And then you get like your profile here. Now, in your account, you're gonna see my profile. We'll get to it. Then you're gonna see import data. You can import data from Excel and Asana, Basecamp, whatever. Then you're gonna see integrations here. Again, you can integrate other applications like Gmail. So when something happens, you will send email to Gmail to someone else. You can import like plenty of applications here. Now, when we go further, you see developers. There's like for developing recycle bin, archived boards. When you would archive the board, admin, we will get to it, and themes. Now, you can explore what's new. You can get also mobile application here, and you can, as I mentioned, invite members, but this is the same as here. So let's go to my profile first. My profile, and you can get like overview here about you, location, Skype, working status that you can change, password if you want to, preferences, time format, date format, notifications, you can enable them or disable. Then you get email integrations. Like these things are really simple. And sessions, like from where you have actually accessed Monday.com. Then when I'm going to admin, I get general here, like account name, customization, you can change your own branding. Users here that you can simply invite members, security, two-step verification, etc. Google apps. Then you're gonna see billing, API, and these things are not so much to talk about here. And let's go to fun part, right? Workspaces. So first you got the workspaces. In workspace, you can have boards. So you can have like, this would be yoga and this would be exercising. Let's see. So I can like create an add new workspace and I can go like with yoga, right? I can create a workspace. Now, when I have it, I can simply click add and you have option to add new blank board, new blank dashboard in which you're gonna have like data and many boards, or you can add new from template, or you can import data. It's like really up to you, or you can add a folder. Now, see more templates. You can simply choose a template. I'm not going to choose any of these because I want to create a new one with you. So when you're gonna use any template, you can edit literally everything there, right? So I would click add, new blank board. You can make it private or shareable. I can go with a yoga video production. Let's name it like that. Create a board. And now we have it. So what you gonna see here? Now, you can simply invite people right here. Yoga production, this is like last viewed and everything, and activities. Then you're gonna see integration of application. You can have automation here and board members, and you can simply add people here. Then you're gonna see activities of what you have actually done in this board. Now you can have add a group. This is here. Then you can simply add an item. It will automatically be added here, right? You can simply move it as you want. You can rename the item here. You can also rename the group. You can, let's say like, okay, let's say that this is going to be, I don't know, this can be done or like working on, done, finishing, or whatever. This is like, you can name it as you want or by template if you don't want, right? If you don't know what you actually want, you can choose template, do it by that. Then when you would choose the main table here, I just want to show you, you can simply add a view and you can see it as a calendar, chart, Kanban, form, workload, or you can like add new applications here like pivot board, working status, performance insights, or you can simply add files here, map, timeline. These things are also really simple. People are using that, as you can see those likes here. Now, when you got it, let's go further. What you can do is simply add a columns here. This is the most fun part I like. So when you're going to click on add column, you can simply add text here, people, timeline, date, text, numbers. But what you can do is just click here more columns. So you can simply add multiple columns here, and I made plenty of tutorials on how to use, I don't know, long text, connect boards, how to mirror boards, right? Then you get like checkbox here that you can add. Then you're gonna have a link here. You can also add phone number. Let's add that. We will add some phone numbers. Then you can like add vote. Simple. Or you can button, or you can use also formula or time tracking. This is also fun. And then the time tracking is really good in this application. I love it. And then what I also like is using, let me show you, progress tracking. This is something I like. So when you have it, let's go now. You can simply change the date here, like this. Then you can have like check here, phone number. You can start time tracking, really simple, and now it's time tracking. You can also like, you can add a session manually that you didn't track, that you want to like, okay, I was working on this yoga for legs, right? You can add updates here. I was working 17 seconds on that. And now you can have like working on it. And if I'm going to add multiple statuses here, right? And I would simply move it like this. As you can see, the progress is on 50%, right? Opa. What can I do is add yoga for arms. And I can go like stuck. And as you can see, it's 25%. If I would go also with the done, I can go with the 50-50. So like pretty simple, pretty easy, right? Now you can simply add formulas that works same as Excel. And what you can do, as I mentioned, is you can add a calendar, Kanban, whatever. Those things are really simple and really easy. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I'm thinking, what else should I like show you? You can go with the 3 dots here, and you can simply like see board members. You can add boards, and you can rename it. You can archive the history. You can more actions. You can duplicate the board. You can print the board. You can have it as a full screen. And this is pretty much how you use the Monday.com. So thank you very much, everybody, for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.